qua re anim adversa, ambiorix pronuntiari ubet, ut procul tella coniciant, no proprius accedant, et, quam in partem Romani impetum fecerunt, cedant. Levitate armorum et quotidiana exercitatione nihil eis nocere passe, versus se ad signa recipientes insequantur. Okay, right away Caesar starts us off with an ablative absolute, qua re anim adversa. By now, hopefully you're getting used to seeing QU words being used as demonstrative pronouns, pointing to two things, with which thing having been noticed. Ablative absolute, we have our ablative noun and ablative participle there. So, what does ambiorix notice? Well, he notices that our guys are fighting back and seeming to do well. So, ambiorix, the leader of the Gauls, pronuntiari ubet. Well, by now, you should recognize this phrase, pronuntiari ubet. We've seen it here, and we also saw it, pronuntiari userunt, and the Romans also did that up in chapter 33. So, what did he order to be announced? And of course, you should also be used to the fact that every time you're ordering something to be announced, you usually get an indirect command. Look, here it is. It starts with ut. Ut, and the thing is, it keeps going. It starts with this ut, and it goes and goes and goes. And remember, an indirect command is going to have subjunctive verbs, so we'll see where it ends. Actually, we'll just make it easier for you. It goes all the way down to here. So it's one ginormous indirect command with a bunch of stuff inside. Ut, procul, boring adverb. Tella, weapons. Nominative or accusative plural. I doubt that the weapons are going to do anything. They're probably the direct object. We will keep going. So he orders it to be announced that something about the weapons. Oh, coniciant, how convenient. He wants the guys to toss the weapons. So here's one subjunctive verb that he announces. We're going to make that blue. He says, hey guys, throw your weapons from far away. Now we also get a no, which is and. It's an and an and not put together, because that's like nay. So he wants them to, number one, throw their weapons, and he does not, and he also wants them to, number two, not do something. That's the thing he wants them not to do. What does he want them not to do? Oh, they should not accedant proprius. They shouldn't get too close. Go figure. And then he gives us a little relative clause here. Once again, we get a QU word acting as a demonstrative. Caesar likes to do that. Into whatever part, Romani, subject, verb, direct object, into whatever part the Romans do this, then we get another subjunctive verb. Ambiorix wants his soldiers to do this. So, he orders it to be announced that they should do this, not do this, and they should do this. And then inside this parenthetical clause, he explains why they should do this, which is really boring. We'll get to that parenthetical clause in a second. And then also, we keep going. Versus se ad signa recipientes insequantur. Here is the fourth thing that Ambiorix wants the Gauls to do. He wants them to follow, and this phrase here, se recipientes, that means, well, se recipio means to retreat. I retreat. But this is a direct object form because he wants the Gauls to follow the Roman soldiers who are retreating, literally carrying themselves back to the signs, i.e. back into the orb. So this whole part here is a direct object of insequantur. So he wants the Gauls to do this, not to do that, to do this, and to do this. Now we can go back to this parenthetical expression. What is the idea behind Ambiorix's strategy? Levitate, ablative. Because of, on account of, we don't have enough information yet, so we'll have to hold that thought. Oh, on account of the lightness or something of the weapons, notice that's a genitive phrase modifying the light weight. And look, another ablative, which makes sense because they're being connected by et. So on account of, we'll make that red, on account of this and account of that, and this is just funky. Nihil eis nocere passe. The literal translation is, nothing is able to be harmed to them, which makes no sense to an American teenager. So another way to say it is, nothing is able to harm them. Nothing can harm the Gauls on account of levitate armora et quotidiana exercitate one. They don't have superpowers, they just happen to have the right kinds of weapon and training. So Ambiorix's strategy is, again, let's see, with which thing having been noticed, Ambiorix orders it to be announced that they should toss their weapons from far away, and nor should they get too close, and into whatever place the Romans made an attack, they, the Gauls, should back up, give way. And why? Because on account of the lightness of their weapons and daily exercise, nothing is able to hurt them, the Gauls. And then he says they should follow the Romans retreating, carrying themselves back to the signs. They should attack them from behind again. They should follow them again. So he's saying, don't fight fair.